Last month, we did our first Virtual Connect event and shared our remote work update. We're grateful so many of you were able to make the time to attend and participate. Thank you. I'm excited to tell you about our next Connect event, planned for Wednesday, July 29th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, called Reducing Risk, Solving the Everyone Problem with Automation. In terms of risk, we all know that exposed sensitive data is the elephant in the room. And what's exposing the most sensitive data? It's usually global groups like everyone, authenticated users, domain users, and they're applied to folder permissions that really should be restricted. Most companies have thousands of folders like this, and many have tried to clean them up, but most fail. Users simply create new ones faster than admins can fix them. The ones that succeed use automation. I hope you'll join us to learn how customers reduce risk with automation. We'll walk through best practices and how to build a bulletproof business case for it. Everything you need to prove you don't need to keep living with that elephant in the room. Like last time, we'll have prizes, polls, and a chance to chat with our experts. Stay safe, stay alert, be well.